Good morning. It's July 5th, 2017. My name is Jim Whitley. I'm going to share with you some of my morning notes. As always, please be sure that you are trading your plan. So here we are in the spot. This 22-day is starting to bend a little bit. It's at 242.44. We did close just a hair underneath that. The 50-day will come in around 240.95. I think we're all kind of slowly waiting for, the spot to take off. If we zoom in here on the hourly, the first step to accomplishing that goal is going to be getting above this here descending trend line. Right now that's at 243.25. Zoom in a little bit closer. A line to kind of hold at the moment would be 241.73. That's on a 10-minute chart. And taking a look at the Qs, we're at this key 136 area. So we were watching this here for a while. Once things started breaking down up here, we naturally put this on the radar. Here we are at it. If we continue to get the sluggishness in tech, things are going to get vulnerable here. We have a few small spots to look at. We'll just have to cross some bridges when we come to it here. If we look at gold, I threw a weekly chart up here on that. We did come down to the 116 that we noted on Monday, and 114.02 is going to be a 22-week low on it. If we look at that on the daily, that's going to come in right around here. So we'll see if we can get any, a bounce off of this area here and try to continue on in gold, or will we see a little bit more weakness? It remains to be seen. IBB is hanging on here at this 11-day area right now around 310. I'm starting to feel interested in it again, down around this 22-day area around 305. If we zoom in on the hourly chart here, we can even see this 304-ish type of area has a Fibonacci area as well. XLE has not been above that 50-day, pretty much all year, and I think right now, as of this recording, which is around 6:15-ish, 6:20-ish in the morning, oil is down at the moment. Taking a look at the financials, double tops around 25.30, almost hit that on Monday before retreating some. 24.40 is the 11-day area with Fibonacci, so we're still productive, above that level. Gingerly seeing what may happen with that one. XLK looks a lot like the QQQ chart, so we're right down here at this key area right now to see if we can get some sort of turnaround in tech. If not, things are still spotty and vulnerable. Zooming in on a couple individual names, like Facebook is now underneath the 50-day. I made a note of 144.58 would be a 22-day low on that. Google is flirting with some disaster here, just because we have a substantial gap that's coming up to take us down to that 880 type area. For tech to start turning around, we're going to need some turnaround in some of these names. Netflix we also see as well underneath its 50-day, and seems to be pointing lower at the moment as well, with some weakness in that MACD. Exxon Mobil, going back to that energy type space, we do see its move on a big move on Monday did close it above the 50-day area, which comes in at 81.77. Like I said, oil is down already this morning. XLE is already up to the 50-day. That's going to be some interesting areas to take a look at. See if the downtrend really continues with that or not. 81.75, by the way, is a Fibonacci area here for XOM, and like I said, it's been a tough space all year. So I'm not jumping right on in here and buying this here yet at the moment. But that's going to do it for today's morning notes. You can connect with me on Twitter and Facebook at Whitley Trading. Emails can be sent to jimwhitleytrading@gmail.com. You all have a fantastic day, and I'll catch up with you a little bit later.